Here's the news of the day.
UrbanLink partners with FEAM Aero to enhance safety and efficiency for its all-electric AAM fleet, including eVTOL aircraft and electric sea vessels, revolutionizing sustainable regional transportation.
Aurora and SkyGrid partner to integrate autonomous aerial vehicles into airspace, combining expertise in autonomous systems and situational awareness.
The UAE's GCAA has approved the design for its first commercial vertiport near Dubai International Airport, paving the way for Skyports to launch air taxi operations in 2026.
Avalon and Air New Zealand signed an agreement to commercialize electric aircraft, including a leaseback deal for Beta Technologies' Alia CX 300 electric cargo plane, set for delivery in 2026.
BAE Systems will supply energy storage systems for Airbus's micro-hybridization project, aiming to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions in commercial aircraft through electric propulsion assist.
German startup FEAM Aero has signed a letter of intent to purchase 15 Britten-Norman Islander aircraft, which will be converted to hydrogen-powered, zero-emission platforms starting in 2027.
Airwolf Aerospace earned EASA approval for True Blue Power lithium-ion batteries in multiple helicopter models, offering lighter weight, faster starts, and extended battery life.
Conair is modernizing its Wildfire air attack fleet with 2 Daha TBM 960 aircraft, featuring advanced safety systems and custom retrofits for aerial firefighting operations in Canada starting 2025.
To learn more, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, X, YouTube, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.